Welcome back to Buy or Die. It's been a while since I made the last video about SPCE stock. It was about a week ago. I just wanted to forget about all these stocks and stock market in general because now we're swimming in the Red Sea. I mean, everything is falling. Portfolio is completely red and many people say it's just the beginning of epic market crash. Of course, it's rather depressing. It's not only about Virgin Galactic, but anyway, it's SPCE that hurts me badly. Now it's about $25 and in current circumstances it can go lower. I personally have 50% loss on SPCE stock. Well, actually before this catastrophic fall I earned enough money on speculation with SPCE, buy lower, sell higher stuff, and if I sell my shares now, I'll be like a guy who has never invested. I mean, I will have no profit and no loss. Should I do this? Probably, because we will be waiting for a glimpse of hope for a long time. Autumn test flight is not going to push SPCE stock to $40. I'm sure about it because it cannot be compared to that hype flight with Branson. Then the Eve mothership that carries the spaceplane to high altitude will undergo an enhancement program that will wrap up around mid-2022. After that, another flight with a full complement of crew specialists will take place to confirm the cabin interior adjustments are functioning as planned. Then commercial service is expected to start in late Q3 2022. I realize that my money is frozen till that time, so at least 1 year. Am I ready for this? Probably I would sell SPCE shares and put money into something more perspective on short term, but I have no candidates. I look at stock market and realize that everything is fragile now. A lot of uncertainty and dangerous stocks like huge bubbles ready to blow up. Perhaps I'll keep my SPCE shares till September flight at least, and then I will estimate the situation and make my decision. Yeah, just like this. Bad times happen, bad entry point, and you are a hostage of your own investment portfolio. Well, I'm waiting for your SPCE predictions in comments. I'm waiting for your subscriptions. It's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.